think we put it all together about maybe a week ago or so.
What do you mean y'all put it together?
It was Jeff's doing. It was Jeff's idea.
What the hell?
What's up?
What is up with her, Tom?
How's it going, Shane?
Hey, good.
How did you ruin it?
I didn't know who he was. I'm like, I don't know anybody that drives a Dodge. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Who's that person in the gray car?
How?
This is crazy, dude.
What is that?
I'm like, I don't even know what to say. You know?
I know.
Hot water heater.
Yeah, you can just spill the beans now, Gavin.
Oh, Gavin even knew?
Yeah, because Jeff came over yesterday to get the money from me.